Done, da da da, it's done guys. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ अपना नाइट रूटीन. So let's get started. So सबसे पहले ये नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो है, तो जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ ये जो मैं पर्सनली यूज़ करती हूँ और काफ़ी टाइम से एक्चुअली यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई रियली लाइक दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आई एम गोना क्लेंस माई फेस विथ, वैसे आई डू डबल क्लेंजिंग बट आई डोंट रिक्वायर दैट टुडे बिकॉज आई हैव done hardly I have done any makeup, so I'm just gonna take it on cotton pad and gonna rub it. आपकी skin है, you have to be really gentle with it, and eye area तो वैसे भी and this pimple is just not going. So second thing I'm gonna use is दिस इज़ माई फेस वॉश. इसका ये पम्प जो है वो ख़राब हो जाता है, मतलब ये मेरी दूसरी या तीसरी बॉटल है, तो ये पम्प ख़राब हो जाता है. अदरवाइज दिस इज़ अमेजिंग फेस वॉश. आई लव इट, मतलब वो भी काम चल जाता है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना वॉश माई फेस एंड कम बैक. फेस वॉश डन. जस्ट डैब योर फेस विद टॉवल. That is done. Next thing I'm going to use toner from Cetaphil. I like this one too. It's very hydrating. So toner, cotton pad like this.
Honestly, you can use your hands too. I sometimes do that also. But cotton pad से बहुत अच्छे से face पे हो जाता है. So just using this.
Do not forget your neck, okay? Do not just put everything on your neck, whatever you put on your face. Done. After face wash, toner is very important, which is done. Da, it's done guys. So toner के बाद आती है under eye cream. I use this San Botanica Moroccan Argan Oil one. I've been using this one for years now, like for few years, 2 से 3 साल हो गए मैंने इसके लिए. I did a campaign for this brand और बाकी कुछ तो नहीं, but I really like the under eye cream और तब से मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I really love it. You can see. So मैं इसी 3-4 bottles ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. So I'm gonna use this.
Just taking layer on my finger, like really little. Activating it and putting it on my under eyes. Dab. Just massage for 2-3 seconds and I'm done. Yeah.
Under eye cream done. Very important for me guys. So I do not like to layer it up with so many things. I would rather prefer कि मैं 1 महीना या 21 days कुछ एक चीज़ यूज़ करूँ, फिर उसे चेंज कर दूँ, फिर उसे चेंज कर दूँ. That's what I prefer more rather than just putting this on my face. I don't like it. So ये क्रीम मैं फ़िलहाल यूज़ कर रही हूँ as my night cream. It is a day cream and night cream both. Of course you can use it, but अभी तो मैं नहीं रिकमेंड करूँगी. लेटर ऑन मे बी आई विल, बट आई कीप ऑन चेंजिंग माई नाइट क्रीम. सो दीज डेज आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन. Your neck is as important as your face. Oh yeah. Ouch! This stings. Yeah. Done. It honestly, yeah, it's looking very glowing and beautiful, but on camera it's not looking that glowing. But whatever I'm doing these days is working for me. I can see my skin very much hydrated. Ta-da! So we are almost done. But we would not forget the lip balm. Actually, my lips are quite dry. मतलब मुझे lip balm बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है and I'm so obsessed with lip balms. I have so many lip balms जो मैं दिन भर में यूज़ करती हूँ. Tinted ones, normal ones, with SPF, without SPF, every lip balm I think I have. And I have tried very cheap lip balms to very expensive lip balms. But so this is Vaseline and I really like this one. मतलब it is actually good guys. So मैं दिन में I prefer my tinted ones and other lip balms more, but रात में for some reason I don't know why, but I prefer this Vaseline and it's not even a lip balm, it's just Vaseline. You can even apply it on your face, but मतलब sometimes when I'm not using any night cream, I end up using Vaseline on my face. It really hydrates your face. And done. So this one is additional step जो मैं खुद भी कभी कभी करती हूँ. जब मुझे याद रहता है तब मैं कर लेती हूँ, जब मुझे नहीं याद रहता मैं भूल जाती हूँ. I don't know the name of this product. I don't know, वो निकल चुका है. But yeah, it's oil for your eyebrows and for lashes. And this is fine. And you can make it at home also. पता है मतलब I made one at home and it was really good. So I don't know what ingredients it has. But if you're making one at home, you can use castor oil, vitamin E capsules, and one more thing, aloe vera gel. Yeah, you can use these things and make it at home, and that really works well. I have tried it, and on my lashes too. So we are done with my night skincare routine. This is it. And trust me, in the mirror my face is actually looking very glowing and very nice. In this video it's not looking that great, I know, but yeah, this works. You can if you are a beginner and you just want to start with something, you can use these steps. और ये काफ़ी हैं यार. You don't need like 7 step routine, 10 step routine. That's it. Tara, bye bye. See you again very soon. And I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the routine. If you did, if you liked something or disliked something, you can comment down and let me know. And what else you would like me to make, just tell me. I love you. Bye.